Hello, I'm Bryan Marshall. I'm here volunteering at Cardiff Poetry Festival, which is the first time since the horrible thing that was lockdown. So it's really exciting for everybody. And I'm so happy to have been here and see so many people that I've been watching, if that doesn't sound too sinister, online for the last couple of years, and actually get to see them in real life and see their books and see them signing their books and see them reading their words. And it's just been really fun just to bring poetry to more people, which is, I think, what this is all about.
And what do you feel like on your own work as a writer? Because I know you wrote poetry.
Yeah, so it's kind of interesting because I know a lot of fellow poets have written specifically about lockdown, about COVID, about pandemic, about isolation, and I've very much tried to kind of steer away from that. So I've tried to focus on the fun things that have been happening despite it. So I'm not saying that I've been trying to like hide from the truth, but if I can kind of make a new truth that's a little bit more palatable and a bit more fun, then that's what I've been kind of trying to do.
Hi there, I'm Michelle. I've come to help out at the Poetry Festival. It's my first time here. I am an aspiring poet. I was lucky enough to win the Hay Writers' Prize of Poetry just earlier this year. So I've come to really demystify poetry, editors, books, what people are writing, and it's been really heartwarming, really friendly, and it's been wonderful to put faces to poets and editors, and to be able to go in and see some wonderful performances and beautiful readings, as well as the mindful element that also really appeals to me, having been a yoga teacher for many years. So all in all, it's just been a wonderful experience, and very calm as well. Just a lovely buzz, a lovely atmosphere, but also really calm, a lovely way to spend my weekend.
How do you think this may inspire your own writing or your own creative activities?
Yeah, it's going to inspire me enormously, particularly I bought a volume yesterday, 100 Poems to Save the Earth, that Zoe edited along with Bryan.
Yes, Christian.
With Christian, and I was starting reading that last night, and I've definitely set myself in that camp, really, having been considering environment for many years, since the 90s really, and so I feel that there's possibly a place and a place for a little pastoral, eco, slightly concerned voice, and yeah, I felt really inspired by what I've seen and what I've heard and what I've read since I've been here. So and the people, just the people in general, is so lovely after lockdown to be with people in a space, and of course with lots of books.